Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, today on 31st of August 2021, Tuesday, we are going to start the last chapter of the half-yearly session, that is chapter 10, diseases caused by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, you can see the picture of that deadly insect on page number 78 of your book. Okay, mosquitoes. This is a diagram, a picture, a depiction of a mosquito, which is one of the most deadliest insects out there. Every one of us hates mosquito, isn't it? Every one of us. No one likes mosquitoes. So they are deadly insects. Deadliest. In fact, they are the deadliest insects out there. Why? The reason is that they are the carriers of many diseases. They are the carriers of many diseases. They spread many diseases. And their diseases are not normal. The diseases are not like cold and flu, okay, or cough and cold. Rather, the diseases are considered epidemics, yes, and they can kill people. They kill people a lot every year. Malaria, they spread dengue, they spread chikungunya, they spread Japanese encephalitis. Okay, the name is too awkward, okay, but we have to understand how mosquitoes spread these diseases in quite details inshallah in the upcoming videos. This video is just an introductory video of the chapter, that is we are going to study that why mosquitoes are dangerous and how do they spread diseases from an infected person to a healthy person. So I hope you have seen that deadly animal on page number 78 of your book. Now let us try to understand what is the step, what is the methodology followed by these deadly animals, deadly insects, to spread diseases from an infected person to a healthy person. Actually, the mosquitoes, what do they do? Mosquitoes, these mosquitoes, they suck blood. They suck blood from an infected individual, okay. So when they suck blood through this needle-like structure, which you can see on page number 78. This is the proboscis. This is the needle-like structure, okay, through which the mosquitoes suck blood, okay, and blood is their food, okay, proboscis. So when they suck blood, what happens? An infected person who is already diseased or who is carrying a disease already, the mosquitoes, they get pathogens. They get pathogens with the blood. Okay, they carry the pathogens with the blood. When they suck blood from infected individuals, infected persons, infected beings, they take pathogens through the blood. And what are pathogens? The Greek word pathos means disease causing. Okay, disease causing. Okay, so actually in scientific terminology, pathogens are microorganisms which we can't see with our naked eyes. So they are bacteria, viruses, yes, very good, viruses, parasites. So these all are microorganisms which we can't see with our naked eyes. We need microscopes to see this. So what happens? An infected person who is already diseased carries these pathogens, bacteria, viruses or parasites. Okay, when the mosquitoes sucks the blood from these infected individuals, they take the bacteria, the viruses or the parasites, okay, from which that individual is affected by. Now what happens when the same mosquito go to a healthy person? When the same greedy, okay, bloodthirsty mosquito goes to a healthy person, now he goes to a healthy person who is not diseased, who is a healthy person. What happens when the same mosquito, the mosquito which is carrying these pathogens, either bacteria or virus or parasite, starts sucking the blood from this healthy person? What happens? These pathogens which were already inside the stomach of these bloodthirsty killer mosquito enters the healthy person. Pathogens enters the healthy person, and you know what will happen when the bacteria, virus or the parasite enter the healthy person. It will make that healthy person unhealthy. Okay, and in some cases the disease is so deadly, the disease is so dangerous that it can kill the healthy person. So dengue, okay, the person can get dengue because of the virus. The person can get malaria because of the parasite. The person can get chikungunya because of the virus. Okay, the person can get Japanese encephalitis because of the virus. So you can understand how dangerous the mosquitoes are. So that's why we have to get rid of these deadly animals every time. Okay, don't take them lightly. They are very dangerous. And if you have heard that the same mosquito killed the king Nimrod, though one of the tyrant kings, okay, King Nimrod killed the mosquito. The same mosquito, this insect killed Nimrod. Okay, we will talk about Nimrod inshallah in Islamic studies class. I'm just trying to explain you the might and the power of this insignificant trivial animal. Okay, now let us try to understand where do mosquitoes are found, or mosquito-borne diseases are common in which countries or which area of the world. So my dear students, mosquitoes are more common in mosquito-borne diseases. Borne means carriers. Here the mosquitoes are carriers. Mosquito-borne diseases are most common in hot tropical areas of the world. And if you know social study, if you have seen the world map, then you will come to know that the tropical region, hot tropical areas of the world are like Africa. Yes, countries like Africa, India, etc. These are the countries which fall in this region, the tropic region of the world, which are near by way of surrounding areas of the equator. Okay, so why mosquitoes they like these places? Yes, why? Because mosquitoes are born in places which are hot, humid and wet. And you know that India, African countries like these, countries like this are hot, humid and wet. Yes, so due to the dampness and the hot climate, the mosquitoes breed. These are the conditions very much suitable for the breeding of mosquitoes. That's why you will find mosquitoes available in these countries more in comparison to the other parts of the world. And when mosquitoes are there, then why not the presence of diseases? Yes, because they are the carriers of diseases. So that's why countries like Africa and India have the epidemics of malaria, dengue, chikungunya and Japanese encephalitis. Hope you understood. In the next video we are going to learn about the different diseases which I have listed over here. Malaria, dengue, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis in quite details inshallah. And these are the only 4 diseases which we have to study in this chapter.